Hey, what's up, guys? It's Steven here. So we're at my house today, and we have this thing to unbox later. But that's not the topic for today. So I have here. I've been building my gaming PC right here inside this room, which used to belong to my old brother, but his at and now we're now with his girlfriend. So here's my gaming setup. So it's not perfect yet because still need to get it fixed, get it to the computer shop, computer technician to install some new OS and stuff. So this is the dream PC, guys. This monitor here is broken. It has some freaking lines and stuff. I need to buy a new monitor with that. And also here we have a one terabyte 1 terabyte internal hard drive here, which I bought yesterday, but I let the technicians assemble it. And I also have here my gaming keyboard. I mean gaming mouse, not keyboard. Here's my gaming keyboard here, and here's the gaming PC. Let's turn on the camera. Camera lights. Yes, as you can see, it's rusty because this PC case has been staying in our garage for almost a couple of years now, and only decided to renovate this guy. So it has 8 gigs plus 6 gigs. That's 14 gigs RAM there, and 500 gig internal hard drive. Also has a 2 gig video card. I don't know the brand, but we'll see that when we get it fixed. So time check, it's 9:48 a.m. and the PC shop opens at 11 a.m. at SM Lashon. So I need to get this thing installed to replace the 500 gig internal hard drive, because 500 gig for me is too low. I need to play like GTA 5 and stuff. Those games are very heavy, and this OS of this thing is fake, a Windows 10 cracked, but unfortunately it got detected and it's broken. Can't use this PC, so we need to get it to the technician and let them fix this. So we'll try to turn it on so you guys can see how shitty this PC is and how great it will be when I get it fixed later. As you can see, it's turned on right there. It's turning on, and this fan is not working. I'm not really sure if I should or should not buy a new PC case and get this transferred to the new PC case, but I'll see if my budget can carry it. So you can see here, nothing's working, the monitor is broken, and the OS doesn't seem to be working, and we'll get that fixed later, and I'll make an update video about that, guys. So that's it. We'll just turn it off. Come on, turn off. Okay. So see you later.
2 hours later.
Steven here again, guys. So we got the CPU mounted on the motorcycle, and we're going to SM Lashon now. Time check, it's
11:15.
11:15 a.m. So here we go.
Rock and roll.
So we're at SM Lashon here, guys, at the garage. So here's my system unit here. We're unloading it. So there it is, the precious cargo right there. So my dad is unloading it up because I don't know how to tie these things. I suck at it. So here are my things. We can't open the U-box. We still need to remove this. And the entrance is just right there. And here's my dad. So we're ready to get it fixed. So here we go. Hey guys. So we're inside this SM National Mall. As you can see around, it's very quiet, even on a Saturday, because of the
COVID fever.
Yeah. So we're going to the second floor. That's where the PC shop is. We're gonna ride another escalator. Look at the cars over there. And that's it. Yesterday there was shades there, buy one take one, which cost around 900 plus. Oh, there's yeah, I'm carrying around my PC here like a terrorist. Freaking terrorist. This is a bomb. Don't tell anyone. Okay? This is a bomb. Allahu Akbar. Look around. Look around so you can see the devastating effects. 360. The devastating effects of the pandemic we're having in. Imagine this is a Saturday. There's supposed to be a lot of people walking around here. As you can see, most of the stalls are closed. You can only see a few people walking around. And if you look at the first floor here, you can only see a few people. Most of the people are going to the supermarket because they're buying essentials and stuff. So you can see that it's saddening to see that a mall as big as the SM could be this quiet on a Saturday, right? What do you think, Dad?
SM Consolation.
He's a camera shy, so he's my camera man for today while I'm holding this. Even some of the stores stopped it. They're having a free delivery pick-up station. You can see it there. And they even have lines here to control the traffic inside the mall. You can see the Worlds of Fun is closed. And the food court is quiet on a Saturday. You see a lot of people here walking around, right? On a regular day. Kita na pa, boss. You can see there are green lines with arrows there. They use that to control the traffic, the human traffic here. So that to avoid congesting because social distancing, right? We are at the cyber zone. Head the rolls. Got this big baby boy fixed. Six Pro with that.
Pwede na balikon na sir? Kaya napamanggoy ko sir? Oh, pangailag number pa rin. Balikon lang yun sir. Napamanggoy may ikon. Isunod lang na mo. Napamasigaw na.
Mga sa oras na balikon.
Siguro sir, after lunch lang. Oo.
Bayaran na lang dapat. Ganyan lang.
After lang. Total, nabayaran naman mo lang ang OS. Ang service charge mo lang mo.
Ang OS wala na bayaran ang OS?
Wala pa.
Wala pa?
Wala pa nung nakapanood.
Ang katong, wala pa dito na palit no?
Kanto ang ipalit yung hard drive?
Pare, nga sir, ang ato available nga OS dito kay katong Pro, katong tag 81 ba?
Kato lang.
Kato lang nyo ha? Oh, HK flat,
So we sent the PC to the PC shop, and unfortunately
There are still customers.
there are still customers, and they're gonna take the lunch break. So they told us to come back later at 2 p.m. So time check, it is 12:05. So me and my dad, we're gonna have a father and son time, and we're gonna explore the SM while waiting. Now we're gonna have our lunch, and
So we'll take a look.
we're taking around, and we'll update later. So stay tuned. just talking with my dad here about how I'm afraid to vlog inside malls because a guard might approach me and ask me for what I'm taking the video and maybe ask me to delete it, or I might get in trouble. But things took into an unexpected turn when a guard suddenly approached me and asked me, why am I recording?
Ay, video sir.
Ah.
Ang cellphone po talaga.
So here are my PC specs.
Here we go.
Six and a half hours later.
Yeah, so here we go, guys. We upgraded the PC with new parts, everything from the motherboard, the CPU, and the video card, new RAM, and we also bought here a new monitor. And my dad is tying it up securely so that it won't fall off when we go home to Danao. You gotta admire this guy's skills in making it secure. Even I can't do that. So So okay guys, after upgrading my PC here, I already got home from a long ride, and I also have already unboxed my monitor, my new monitor. So you can check that unboxing out in another video. So I have here my gaming keyboard, my gaming mouse, and my all new gaming system unit. So it's a system unit. It's called system unit, guys, not CPU. Alright? The CPU is that little thing, that little processor thing, alright? That's a misconception because that's what it's called, system unit. So we'll just set up my camera here. Find a somewhat nice angle so you guys could see me, some sort of a little unboxing, unbox it and set it up. Okay, so I have here where's my trusty scalpel? There it is. Our trusty scalpel. It has rust, but nobody cares. So let's open this. It's been wrapped also.
changes.
camera here so you guys could see it in action. There we go, there we go. There we go, this is the moment of truth. Alright, so let's turn this on. Okay, here we go. That's the AVR there. So this is the moment of truth. Okay, alright. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh shit. Listen like that. Looks like it sounds like a pump boat or something. There we go. And the monitor, guys. So this is the monitor in action. So as you can see, guys, just ignore the handprints. Input not supported. What's wrong? I thought I connected it carefully. What happened, Dad? What happened? Input not supported. Guys, there has been a minor inconvenience, so I just had to pull off the plug, the VGA cord, and then put it back again, and then now it's working. So let's check it out. Let's check it out, yo! My new gaming PC. Alright, so let's check PC. Here we go. So that you guys could see its performance. Alright, there we go, there we go, there we go. So it's a Windows 10 and has a 12 gig RAM. Yeah, I had put 12 gig RAM for gaming purposes and also so that I could stream. I know it's an AMD A6, which is old model, but who cares? As long as we can play games, baby, that's what's important. So what else do we have here? AMD A6 Radeon R5 8 compute cores, 2C plus 2G and of 12 gigs. So I think I have some built-in games here. So this baby has a 1 terabyte HDD plus a 500 gig one. So all in all, it's 1.5 gig. I mean 1.5 terabyte, not gig. What's wrong with me? There we go. There we go. So where it is? Where is it? There we go. Games. There's my games. Oh no, it's just Crossfire and Rust. What else do we have here? AMD Windows. Old. So ignore that. Okay, it turns out that I don't have games yet. Okay, so I think it must be empty, guys. So I think we will stop the video here because well, I still need to have fun with my new PC. So I'll make an update, next update, guys. I forgot. So before we end this video, just put it there. Alright? Also bought some extra stuff, right? Jajan! There we go. So while the PC was being fixed, yep, it was being fixed. Yeah, let me just set up there so you guys could see me better. Alright. While the PC was being fixed, we went to the SM store and bought some stuff. Because only spent about 12,000 preparing this guy, all the new parts, new motherboard, the RAM. So we bought myself a new jacket. Look at this jacket. Look at this. Ain't that cool? It's a Frigo jacket here. Frigo. So I bought myself a new jacket, guys. It's costs around. Look at this. 1,999.75. So it's a very expensive jacket. And it also has some leather shit here. What is a leather here? And this is not leather. This is leather. Yeah. So let me wear it. Right. Yeah. Woo. So you look at that. Looks nice. Yay. I'm now a biker. All I need is a big bike to compensate with this jacket. So it has a Frigo logo here. The other side doesn't have what it looks like at the back. So I could also attach it like that. Wait. There we go. There we go. And it also has pockets here. Other side. There you go. And also has a zipper here where you can put your things here. And the other doesn't have. Okay, that's that. And jajan, it also has a hood. I can be an assassin. I could use my brother's hidden blade, put it here, and then assassinate people. Oh, just like that. And then you can also put it like that. Alright, and try it again if you're really cold or something, you want to hide your face like that. And then you go like this. We work in the dark to serve the light. We are assassins. Nothing is true. Everything is permitted. So enough with that crazy shit. I also bought myself a new shades. It's a, I don't know guys if you can see it, kinetics. Okay, it costs around 399.75 right there. So you open it, there it is. There's the shades, boys. Me and the boys. There we go. Kinetics shades. Right there. It also has this cleaner in this box. Here it is. Watch me wear it. Dun, 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 dun. Alright. It compensates with the jacket. Did you look at that? Woo! Yeah. That's it for this quick cloth unboxing, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye bye.